Hi guys, so this is part 2 of my DIY solar power bank, and I'm gonna show you in this part the project before modifying it, and then the project after the modification and the last look of it. So enjoy. So here we are again. This is the finished project or way back before I did modify it. So this one has that red board that you saw in the previous part, and which is a booster, and the TP4056 I guess charger. And as you can see right there, when I press the switch, the LED is indicating that it is charged via light or sunshine. And now I deactivate it, and when I press it again, it will charge again, and you can see the LEDs lit up over there. So yeah, that's by the way, that's a cover that I used before. I kind of managed that using some plastic CD covers from the, I don't know what you call them, the albums or something like that. So we're gonna try to charge our phone in this part, but as you will see, it won't work because I don't know, I had something wrong with that DC to DC booster. So as you can see in here, I'm just struggling to find out why it is not charging, but it was no good. I don't know how that DC to the booster works, so I just kind of abandon it. Hello guys, so this is the last update of my solar power bank project. So as you saw, I've replaced a lot of batteries, used some various boards for charging and discharging. So what I ended up with is using this board. I got this one for about $2, which is about 20 dirhams here, in our local currency. So this one gives you two USB ports, one micro USB for charging the batteries, and four LED indicating LEDs. The batteries I use is these two batteries. There is two in there, as you can see. They're stacked one on top of another. So these are both salvaged from old ink tablets. And one is 1600 milliamp hours, and another one is the other one is 1500, and they run in parallel. They seem to be okay with each other in parallel, even though they're not identical. So yeah, I forgot to mention that this board has the connections also for the solar panel. So here are the battery connections, and these are the solar panel connections right there. So you might notice I have a diode over here, heat shrink, in order to prevent current from going back to the panel. Now let's just test a quick test for the panel. Here you go. As you can see, as soon as I turn the panel facing the light, it starts to charge, and you can see the indicating LEDs going like that, indicating that it is charging. Let's do another test for charging via micro USB, and unplug in my cable over here, and here it is charging. Now we're gonna swap everything and make a test of the USB ports. So everything works just fine, and I like it. And I haven't tested the capacity. Well, as I said, the capacity mentioned on the batteries, but you never know until you actually test the stuff on a phone or some other device. So I've just plugged in my battery, and you will hear the battery gets charged right now. There it goes, and that's the sign indicated it is charging. Let's try the other port, and Here it goes, and there it goes, it's charging. So yeah, that's everything about this solar power bank. Sorry. And here is the cover for that, and no, it doesn't look so good with this cut out of it, but this is all I came up with. I could find. So yeah, but it's okay. I just wanted glass in order just to see the component inside. It's I like that. I like it that way. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and thanks for watching. So as always, if you like our content, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this about electronics and DIY projects, and I'll see you in the next one.